Hey everyone, Crypto Dynamic here. Today we are talking AstroSwap, and we have an update. They just launched their brand new DEX, and if you've been following this project, you probably are wondering what just happened, right? Because I know a lot of people were expecting the price to just kind of take off, and we're going to see some nice price action to the upside. But what we saw was quite the opposite, wasn't it? So we're going to take a look and see what happened there. And then even most importantly, we're going to take a look, since this did happen, what we can do to make sure that we are securing our investment and not losing money. So stick with me and we'll take a look at that. All right. So this is a video from 12 days ago. Actually, I did a video on AstroSwap, and this was right when they had announced the date of their DEX launch. And we were comparing Astro with Wagyu Swap, which was a DEX that launched back in November. And we know when that occurred, we saw some nice price action to the upside there. And before people started taking profit in that area, right? So we were thinking if AstroSwap could follow suit, and we definitely could be a possibility that we could see that occur with AstroSwap and its launch. I had some really good comments and discussion below, which I truly appreciate. Any of the viewers who wish to jump in the discussion, you're more than welcome to. And like I said, I do truly appreciate it. So there's a viewer here that asked a question, says, great video. Do you think market conditions could affect its price? And yeah, we said absolutely. We definitely need to consider market conditions. We know that Bitcoin in the whole market has been down the last 3 months. Bitcoin's at the time of recording this video is about 37,000. And Omar made a great observation. He said, hey, good video, but keep in mind that Bitcoin was 62K November 2nd when Wagyu Swap was released there. So definitely something. If you watch my other videos, we're definitely taking a close look at Bitcoin. Just we know there's a lot of uncertainty of what it's going to do, so we're taking a look at that as well. One other thing that was mentioned was Sunday Swap, which was another Cardano DEX that just launched just before AstroSwap, and the results was not very stellar. I think just because of the conditions of the Cardano network not being able to handle the throughput. I think users saw up to like a day on their swaps before they finished. So I think with that occurring, I think that gave a lot of people pause on really jumping into AstroSwap. So another quick thing, I'm just going to jump over the chart here. We did see some price movement up until the launch date. And obviously we see this big dip here. Just kind of talking with the community, it sounds like those who watched the trades, there was some large wallets that offloaded a bunch of coins at that time, liquidated their assets, and that really caused a chain reaction to the rest of the coin holders, and they started to offload their coins as well in a panic sell. So what does that mean for AstroSwap? Does that mean that the project was a failure? Absolutely not. I mean, we have AstroSwap. We see that the DEX is live. We see that we can exchange tokens, and it's very fast, very cheap, and you can do it cross network, which is just amazing because we know AstroSwap has partnered with Swaps. So there's just some really good stuff on the roadmap with this project, and I know a lot of people felt betrayed, yada yada, with the AstroSwap team, but they've been great through it. Even beforehand, I know astronaut Kirk has been super busy. I'm not sure if he's got any sleep the last couple of weeks, just answering everybody's questions on the Telegram. So just kudos to the team, and I'm pretty excited about the whole project still. Okay, so how can we make sure that we didn't lose money on this? Because this was like a 60% dip, and if you got in on the way up, you're down right now, right? Your portfolio is down if you didn't sell. hopefully, and we'll take a look here. So if you held on to your coins, if you made an initial investment of $1,000 and you gained 5,000 tokens at 20 cents, and right now the current price would be 9 cents, you'd have $450 in your portfolio. So that means you'd be down $550. So what can we do now? So jumping back over to the AstroSwap website. So staking is also open, and when they announced their launch, they also shortly after that launched the APIs for their staking liquidity pools, which means if you were to stake your AstroSwap, right now the APY is at 73,304.81%, which is just amazing, right? So that means if you click here, if you have put in $1,000 for 30 days, you'd get that many, about 10,000 tokens in return as rewards, right? So this is one way you can make sure that you're not losing your money. So I mean, if you have those tokens still, as long as you didn't sell, you didn't lose that money. Because if you were to sell that at 9 cents, you would be out that 550. But if you were to stake it and get these rewards, like I said, I think I copied that 10,000 coins. So let's say if you take your initial 5,000 coins that you have and you stake them, and if you were able to stake them for 30 days, like the calculator said, and then so we would plus the initial 5,000. All right, so you would end up after 30 days with 15,601 Astro tokens. So I mean, they say that's just a rough estimate. It's not. They can't calculate obviously the exact amount as the APYs change. But if you just take that for instance and put that in the coins owned, okay, so you see here your average token price would technically be down as if you were to have purchased it at 6 cents. So even at 9 cents, the current price, your total return would be $404 at the end of the 30 days. So there you go. There's profit. So it's not the if you were looking to sell it at $1, and make some price, good money there, that's different. But just think if the price goes up any as well in the next 30 days, we'll see maybe Bitcoin make a recovery, start taking off, and that would maybe put some more money back into the market, and we could see AstroSwap price go back up, right? It was hovering for quite some time around the 12, 13, even before that around the 20 cents. So, I mean, if we were to go back to our calculator, our sheet here, and change the current price to 12 cents, that'd be 872 return at the end of 30 days. If we jump up to 16 cents at the end of 30 days, there's 1,500 roughly. If we get lucky and hit 20 cents, it's $2,000. So doubled your initial investment. So there you go. So hopefully, this is not financial or trading advice. Like I always say, this is just a way that you can take a look at how you want to invest your crypto and your investment strategies. So I hope this helps. So I'm going to continue to make more videos so we can keep you updated and give you tips like this. And I will catch you on the next one. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment below. Thanks. Bye.